When entering the RV, you're going to notice this red switch. This is the master power control for all the 12-volt systems inside the RV. In order to not drain the battery when the RV is not in use, we typically switch this to off. But when you're using the RV, before any of the systems on the inside of the RV that are connected to the battery will function, it must be turned to the on position. On the inside of the RV, typically above the door, you're going to have two things. One, you're going to have this control panel, and two, this cubby. Typically, you have a packet in here that has owner's manuals and instruction manuals for all the appliances inside of the RV. That's where to find that. You can typically find the RV registration in this as well. This is the control panel that operates all of the 12-volt functions on the RV. You have the awning lights, the step light, the porch light outside, the ceiling light, which controls most of the lights inside of the RV, the water heater, and the water pump. You also have the awning, in and out, the slides, 1 and slide 2. Up here, you have the gray water tank level, the black water tank level, the fresh water, and the battery level. To test these, you put your finger right here and press. This shows that the gray water is empty. The black water is empty. The fresh water is 1/3 full, and the battery is 2/3 full. Now, one thing about these sensors, they're not super accurate. So it may be that you press the black water tank and it shows that it's full, but you know that you haven't used it. It's likely not full. It's just getting a bad signal because something has gotten caught on the sensor. Okay? Same with the gray water. The fresh water is typically the most accurate because it doesn't have other debris in there, and the battery level is going to be very accurate. The other thing that you have is the generator starter and the generator hour meter.